Hi everyone, we are going to explain about the methods of color removal in wastewater. Here is the list of our group members. Mainly, there are four methods. Firstly, advanced oxidation process. Secondly, adsorption. Third, ozonization process. And the last one, electrocoagulant process. For the first method, this is the traditional methods that have been applied for the colorization process. It is based on the mechanism involved generation of hydroxyl radicals as oxidizing agent that when attacked upon corogenic groups leads to produce of organic peroxide radicals and ultimately transform them into CO2, H2O and organic salts. It consists of a variety of methods such as ozonization, use of hydrogen peroxide and Fenton's method. This is what happened during the Fenton process and ozone. Free radicals, mainly hydroxyl radicals, are able to oxidize most of the organic compounds.
Another method that we use is adsorption. This popular method found to be more simple and economical for the removal of dye from textile influence. The process of adsorption. Basically, the adsorbent will attract to surface of adsorbent. So what are these two? You can see the meaning and the mechanism of it below. Next, the example of adsorbent. So as you can see, there are four of them.
For the next method, ozonation process. Ozone is the most powerful oxidant compared to other oxidizing agents such as Cl2, H2S2. Ozone has been found to be very effective at oxidizing fluorinate hydrocarbons, phenols, and some other hydrocarbons. The reaction mechanism consists of two steps. For the first step, it involves reaction occurring at pH value of 5 into 6, where ozone is present as in form of O3 and undergoes reaction with double bond of dye molecules selectively. For the second step, it involves reaction taking place at higher pH value, above 8 pH, where ozone readily undergoes decomposition, generating hydroxyl radicals that react non-selectively with organic compounds.
Then, moving on to fourth method of color removal methods, which is electrocoagulation process. The way it works, as water passes through the electrocoagulation cell, multiple reactions take place simultaneously. There are three stages of reaction involved. Stage 1, which is dissolution stage, involves generation of coagulants after oxidation of sacrificial anodic electrodes. In this stage, a metal ion is driven into the water. On the surface of the cathode, water is hydrolyzed into hydrogen gas and hydroxyl groups. Meanwhile, electrons flow freely to destabilize surface charges on suspended solids and emulsified oils. Stage 2, coagulation, will involve destabilization of pollutants and emulsions breakout. As the reaction continues, large flocks form that entrain suspended solids, heavy metals, emulsified oils, and other contaminants. Finally, for the third stage, flocculation involves formation of flocks. They are then being removed from the water in downstream solids separation and filtration process steps.
Thank you for watching.